Good morning students, welcome back to English class. This is your English lecturer Chirandra Gopal from Royal PU College. In previous class, we learned present tense and also in earlier class, recent class, we learned simple past tense. Simple past tense structures means positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence and WH questions also, and the uses we learned in earlier classes. Now, today I teach you past continuous tense. The next tense is past continuous tense. So here past continuous. What is a past continuous tense? Means every tense, I told you, every tense indicate, shows, express action. This is also past continuous also shows an action, but it is that action was going on sometime in the past. An action which was going on in the past, that is called, it is a past continuous tense. So we learned so far, for every tense we are learning the structures first of all, the first step. Then here also in past continuous tense we are going to learn the structures first of all. Past continuous tense structure. Students, let us observe the structure of past continuous tense. What comes the first sentence here in the structure? First comes subject. Yes means it is a subject. Subject plus was or were. Subject plus was or were plus V4. Verb fourth form we use in past continuous tense. In same way, present continuous also we use the V4, means the past verb fourth form, but here also we use past fourth verb fourth form. It is a continuous form. It is a verb V4. But here to indicate the past tense I use here was or were. For present tense V4, the verb is used only V4, but here is, am, or is used there. But here subject plus was or were plus V4 plus additional word. AW means it is a additional word. This is the positive structure for past continuous tense. And also see the negative sentence. What structure comes for negative sentence? Means the first subject and was or were plus not plus V4 plus additional word. This is the negative sentence of past continuous tense. Subject plus was or were plus not plus V4 plus additional word. To make a negative interrogative sentence means question, confirmation. So what comes the structure here for interrogative sentence? Was or were plus subject plus V4 plus additional word plus question mark. This is the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Okay. For WH question structure. So WH question structures going like this. WH questions plus was or were plus subject plus V4 plus additional word plus question mark. This is the WH question structure. So here, if you observe the positive sentence, what I wrote on the board, first subject was were. Two helping verbs are there. These two helping verbs was were, both are indicate past tense. Was were. So then you get idea, so you get a doubt, when do we use was or were? Both are depending on the subject. Was is used only for the singular subjects. What are the singular subject? Was means here I is the singular subject. Next, so she, he, it, and singular names. See, Was is used only for the singular subjects. What are the singular subjects? What I wrote on the board? I is the singular. She, he, it, and singular name. So the sentence goes like this: I was, she was, he was, it was, Raju was, Sita was, Gita was, Mr. John was. That is a project. That is was only for those subject. Okay. Next, were is there. When do we use were? Were is used only for the subjects. They, plural subjects. They, we, you, and also plural names. So were is used only for the plural subjects. What are the plural subjects? What I wrote on the board? They is the plural. They were playing cricket. They were watching TV. Like that. We were studying degree final year at this time last year. You were watching yesterday. And plural names means Raju and Gita were going to temple last Sunday, like this. These are the was or were uses for those subjects. Was is used only for the singular subject, and were is used for the plural subjects. And next, then you understand these are the structures. I wrote the 4 structures. One is the positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and WH question structures. So next step, then we'll learn here the structures of past continuous tense, the sentence formation. I tell you how to frame the sentence formation using those structures: positive sentence, negative, interrogative, and WH question structures. Now the next step is uses. So how to use past continuous tense? When do we use past continuous tense? Then we going to learn today. Past continuous tense uses. So past continuous tense is used to express an action which was going on at some time in the past. Understand? Past continuous tense is used to express an action. I told you every tenses express action. This tense also, past continuous also express an action. That action was going on at some time in the past, not complete. It is going on still in the past. Then only we use in the tense past continuous tense. An action was going on. When? Already means the past tense only. Past means yesterday, last year, means last week. At the past, the action was still going on. Then we use past continuous. For example, I tell you student, for example, I was studying degree final year at this time last year. Understand? I was studying degree final year at this time last year. We were watching TV yesterday at 9 a.m. It was raining. It was raining today morning. These are the actions in these sentences. These 3 sentences, the action was going on in the past tense. That's why I used this past continuous tense through the positive structure. Subject was were plus V4 plus additional word. Uses. Then I write on the board the uses means the definition. When do we use the past continuous? Then you clearly understand what is the meaning of past continuous tense here. Past continuous. Past continuous tense is used to express an action which was going on in the past, which was going on in the past. This is the uses, the first uses. This is the first uses in past continuous tense. What I wrote on board, please read loudly, all of you students. Past continuous tense is used to express an action which was going on in the past. In the past, an action was going on. An action was going on in the past. In the past means already completed, means in the past, yesterday, last Sunday, last year. This is the past. An action was still going on. We use past continuous. For example, let us observe here. The boys. The boys. This is the subject. I take the boys is the subject. It is a plural name. The boys is a plural name. So what comes here? Was or were? Were. So were, subject, the boys. What comes here? The boys were. The boys were playing cricket yesterday. The boys were playing cricket yesterday. So this is the example. And second example, let us observe here. Second example. Then I take the subject I. So what comes? I told you, when do we use was or were? I take the subject I. What comes? Was or were? Was comes here. Why? Because this is I. Subject I is a singular. So we should take the helping word was. Was or were called helping verb, auxiliary verb, supporting verbs. I tell you in next class the words, helping verbs and main verb. But these are the called was or were called the helping verb. I take the subject I. So the verb helping verb comes was. I was studying. I was studying degree final year last year at this time last year final year at this time last year. So see here, I was studying degree final year at this time last year. Last year I was still studying. What I'm studying? Degree final year. Means the action was still going on. The past means the last year. So, and see the third example, we were. I take the subject we, that's plural, subject is a plural, so helping word comes were, not was. We were watching TV last night. So these are the examples for past continuous tense. What I wrote on the board, let us observe the examples only. All are in past continuous. Let us see here. The boys were playing cricket yesterday. The boys were playing cricket yesterday. Playing, it is a verb. So this action was going on in the past, yesterday only. Here in the second sentence, I was studying degree final year at this time last year. Means the last year still I was studying degree final year. The action was going on, not completed in the past. And if we observe the third one, what is here? What is the action? Watching. We were watching TV last night. Means the last night, the action watching still going on, not stopped, not completed, still going on in the past. That's why I used it in the tense, past continuous tense. This is the usage 1. Okay, this is the usage 1. What is the usage 1 here? An action was going on in the past, then we use past continuous tense. This is the usage one. And next usage is that I'll tell you the another usage. Second usage. So what I told past continuous first usage, an action was going on in the past. Then we use past continuous tense. Here in the second usage, it is used in combination with simple past. Means past continuous tense. Past continuous tense also used in combination with simple past tense. Understand, student? Past continuous tense is used in combination with simple past tense. Simple past tense means subject, V2, additional word. So these two tense we use at a time. One is we call a long action, another one is short action. Two actions mean two tenses. One is past continuous, another one is simple past tense. These two tenses means happen one after another one by one. The actions was going on. Then we use it is a past continuous tense. So here you should remember here past continuous tense is long action, simple past is short action. So understand the uses. The second usage is past continuous. Also past continuous is used in combination with past continuous tense. It means it is also used in combination with simple past. Past continuous is used for the action which was going on at some time in the past. It is a long action, whereas simple past is used for the action which happened meantime. Simple past happened meantime. It is a short action. Here in the tense, in the past continuous tense, one action, another action, one action, another happened. First happened simple past, another one is past continuous. One after another one, another action happened in this continuous tense. This is the usage 2. Then I wrote the word. Let us observe here. It is used to express an action. It is used in combination. It is used in combination with simple past tense. Okay. Second usage. It is used in combination with simple past tense. Past continuous, past continuous tense used to express, past continuous tense used to express an action which was going on in the past. So this is a long action. This is the long action. Whereas simple past is used for action which happened which happened in meantime. It is a short action. So this is the second uses. Let us read once what I wrote on the board of the second user in past continuous tense. Second uses. It is used in combination with simple past tense. It is used in combination with simple past. Next one. Past continuous tense used to express an action which was going on in the past. It is a long action. Past continuous already we learned in the uses 1. Past continuous used to express an action which was going on in the past. That is a long action. Another one, whereas. In same way, simple past is used for action which happened in a meantime. Whereas means the next word. Simple past also used here. That is in meantime. Means here. Whereas simple past tense is used for action which happened in a meantime. It is a short action. Past continuous. Just to remember mind. So you just remember in your mind. Past continuous is long time. Simple past is a short action. One is long action. Another one is short action. Let us observe once for examples. How it comes long action and short action. If we see some examples, then you clearly understand. So, in second uses examples, he met with an accident. He met with an accident while he was crossing the road. Students, read this sentence here. He met with an accident while he was crossing the road. In this sentence, if we observe clearly this sentence, two tenses are involved in this sentence. Two tenses are involved. So first subject is there. He is the subject. Met, meet, met, meeting. It is a V2. Met is a V2. With an accident, it is a additional part, additional word. And while is a conjunction. And again here subject, he is the subject, was helping verb is crossing, it is a V4. So subject plus V2 plus additional word, simple past tense is there. And another tense, subject was or were, here crossing means was I wrote the was, why? Because the singular subject, he was crossing V4. So past continuous also here is there. So here this is the past continuous tense. This part is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. And this is simple past. So he met with an accident while he was crossing the road. He met with the accident is a short action. Unexpectedly the accident, he met accident. So he was crossing the road. It is a long action. Similarly, a few words if you observe. It was raining when I came out last night at 11 p.m. So second sentence is it was raining when I came out last night at 11 p.m. And if you observe the third one, um, when I entered the class, my lecturer was teaching a lesson. When I entered the class, my lecturer was teaching a lesson. Another one, when I saw him, he was waiting for the bus. And next, I met my friend while I was going to college. Another example, say she got promotion while she was working in Royal PU College. So these are the examples for past continuous tense. Second use as the tense involved past continuous and the combination with simple past. Just you read what I wrote the examples on the board. The first example, he met with an accident while he was crossing the road. So next one, it was raining when I came out last night at 11 p.m. When I entered the class, my lecturer already means my lecturer was teaching the lesson. When I entered the class, my lecturer was teaching the lesson. If you observe the fourth one, when I saw him, he was waiting for the bus. When I saw him, it is a simple past tense, subject and V2 and additional word. It is a simple past tense. Simple past tense. He was waiting for the bus. It is a long time. He is waiting so much time. From morning onwards, he is waiting for the but long action. Unexpectedly, I see him. So this is a simple past. I saw him. He was waiting for the bus. And second one, fifth one example. I met my friend while I was going to college. I met my friend while I was going to college. And sixth one, she got promotion while she was working in Royal PU College. So these are the examples. And for clue words, finally, in conclusion, I want to tell you some clue words. Clue words for past continuous tense. Clue words are simple past tense, simple past tense plus when or while. These are the clue words for past continuous tense. And also at this time, yesterday, last month, year, week. So these are the clue words. What I wrote for clue, what are the wrote and word for clue words in past continuous tense? Those are clue words. simple past tense plus when or well. You can easily identify the tense is in past continuous. How can you identify the given sentence is in past continuous tense? Very simple. You can understand the clue words first of all. So in the sentence, two combination means simple past tense and also when no while. Here also see, I wrote so many examples. In those examples, the clue words when is there, when, and here when, while. So while, here also with accent while. These are the clue words with simple past. That's why I write here for clue words simple past tense plus when or while. You can easily identify the given sentence is in past continuous tense, simple past, and also when, while. For example, when I entered the house, my mother was cooking the food. My mother was cooking. So these are the examples and clue words for past continuous tense. Students, you also practice more. I gave you subjects and also V4. You should use here V4, and also the second user use this sentence, use this tense with combination with simple past. Thank you, students. For next class, I will meet you in another next tense is past perfect tense. Let us discuss in next class. Thank you.